Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Now that the temperatures are much cooler, it's time to start changing out your flower beds to cool season flowers.
Here are just a few that add lots of color for those high traffic and visible areas in your yard. Snapdragons will have brightly colored flowers throughout the fall, and if protected from the heavy frost, will continue through spring. Snaps are available in many colors. Dwarf varieties are excellent for mass plantings, foregrounds, and borders, and taller varieties work well as background plantings.
All do well in flower beds or in containers, and they reseed easily in good soil to produce more new plants for the next season. Pansies are very popular, tough little plants that come in almost any color you can imagine. Majestic giants have large flowers with faces, and the crown varieties have vivid, clear colors without the faces. Not bothered by the coldest weather, pansies are great in masses, borders, or containers. Violas are like miniature pansies and do great as smaller bedding plants or even hanging baskets.
Garden mums are a hardy perennial that bloom heavily in the fall and spring. These make great container plants as well as garden accents. Stock is an old-fashioned favorite known for its very fragrant flowers. It blooms in shades of purple, lavender, pink, and white right through the winter and into spring. Vintage or green leaf stock is a short variety with bright flowers. Trisomic or 7-week stock is taller and bushier and has more of a grayish-green colored leaf.
Cyclamen is a classic cool weather favorite that does very well in filtered sun to full shade. Large-leafed and compact, it has flowers in rich colors of red, pink, purple, and white. Of course, you can't miss the colorful display of the ornamental kale and cabbage. These are prized for their deep colors of purple, pink, and white foliage.
These are just a few of the many colorful plants for the cooler months. For more varieties and information, check out our free Star Note, number 305 at starnursery.com.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.